Hi, y'all. Today we're making up something special: seafood inabraw, moringa leaves, squash, and okra. Trust me, this dish is as comforting as a warm hug, and it's packed with all the good stuff your body loves. First things first, let's tackle this squash. Did you know it's loaded with vitamins A and C? That means glowing skin and a strong immune system. Basically, it's like a spa day, but for your insides. And here comes the okra. I know, it's a little slimy, but that's just its way of saying, hey, I'm full of fiber, folate, and vitamin K, and I'm here to keep your digestion happy. Let's embrace it. Now for the seafood, our protein-packed, omega-3 loaded friends. Not only do they taste amazing, but they're also helping your heart and brain stay in tip-top shape. It's like adding a little brain power to your bowl. And finally, moringa leaves, the unsung heroes of nutrition. Iron, calcium, antioxidants, you name it, they've got it. These leaves are basically nature's multivitamin, making sure you're strong and ready for whatever comes your way. There you have it, a seafood inabraw that's not just delicious, but also doing your body a whole lot of good. It's comfort food with a side of wellness, and who doesn't need a little more of that in their life? Your taste buds and your body will thank you.